How does paint transfer analysis contribute to proving fault in a hit-and-run? Have you ever wondered how forensic experts can link a hit-and-run driver to their victim? One of the key methods they use is paint transfer analysis. This technique plays a vital role in establishing fault in hit-and-run accidents, especially when it comes to auto insurance claims. When two vehicles collide, tiny layers of paint often transfer from one vehicle to another. This paint transfer acts as physical evidence that connects the suspect vehicle to the accident scene or the victim's vehicle. The process starts with a thorough forensic examination of the paint found on the victim's vehicle, the suspect vehicle, or even on the clothing of those involved. Specialists use microscopes to study the paint layers, looking at the number of layers and their application patterns. They also employ chemical techniques like spectrographic analysis, infrared spectroscopy, and Raman microscopy. These methods help identify the exact chemical makeup and binding agents in the paint. Why is this important? Each vehicle manufacturer uses unique paint formulations, which means that paint can act like a fingerprint. This makes it easier to match the transferred paint to a specific make, model, and even year of the vehicle. This evidence is hard to dispute in court or during insurance claims. Additionally, investigators often find vehicle fragments at the scene, such as broken headlights or bumper parts. These fragments can carry paint residues that can be matched to the suspect vehicle, further strengthening the case. If paint chips or residues are found on the clothing of either party, they can also be analyzed to confirm contact during the collision. From an auto insurance perspective, paint transfer evidence is crucial for meeting the burden of proof needed to establish fault in hit-and-run cases. When the driver flees the scene, traditional eyewitness accounts may not be available. Paint analysis provides objective, scientific proof linking the suspect vehicle to the accident. This helps insurance companies validate claims and determine who is liable for the damages. Moreover, this evidence can assist law enforcement in identifying and prosecuting the driver responsible for the hit-and-run. By providing scientifically reliable physical evidence, paint transfer analysis helps overcome the challenges posed by absent witnesses or fleeing drivers. In summary, paint transfer analysis contributes significantly to proving fault in hit-and-run accidents by linking vehicles involved in the collision. It identifies unique paint layer sequences and chemical compositions that match suspect vehicles. This forensic approach strengthens the case for fault assignment, which is essential for collision coverage claims and legal proceedings in hit-and-run scenarios.